So the name of the project of our presentation is the Itemize, which is the blockchain-based crowdfunding e-commerce platform. The team member is consists of me, myself, Hyunso Park, and Youngwan Pan. So these are the table of contents. First, we will introduce our purpose of this platform and what problems are we trying to solve. And the next thing is the expectation of our solution. I will briefly introduce the expectation that so these are containing the investor liquidity, ownership flexibility, ownership value appreciation. The third thing is the technology that we used in this platform, which is real world asset and smart contracts, and we will show you the service architecture and the service mesh. Last but not least, we will talk about the key feature with the demo video. Alright, so start with the introduction. So the purpose of our project is to build a solution for trust and transparency and to allow the easier and more flexible ownership transfer in crowdfunding. And the reason why we set this kind of purpose is that currently the crowdfunding platform has some challenges. The first thing is the lack of liquidity. So the traditional crowdfunding typically locks investor funds until the project completion. And the second problem is that the ownership transfer limitation. After the funding, investors often have no option to transfer or sell their ownership, or I would say rights, easily to the other. And let me talk about what we expect by this kind of solution. The first thing is that we can ensure the investor liquidity. Trading ownership tokens is not like normal crowdfunding. It's easier to buy and sell shares, and they can increase its value if the product does well. And the second thing is the ownership flexibility. As I said before, there was ownership transfer limitation, so this platform can solve the problem. And the last thing is the ownership value appreciation. So the ownership tokens go up in value as products get popular, and it helps investors to grow together. And I'm going to explain what technologies were used in this platform. The first thing is a real-world asset, which is RWA. So the definition of RWA is tokenized, which the technology tokenizes the physical asset. Like for example, if there is a loan, then it can be copied into the web as a digital asset, and that is called token. And those are placed in the blockchain so that they make them tradable and accessible to everybody. And the benefit of RWA is that it can improve the liquidity and make it wide investment access while ensuring the transparency and security. And how do we apply this kind of technology into platform is that we enabled post-crowdfunding ownership trading, giving investor more like flexibility of the asset and the liquidity options. And the second technology we used was a smart contract. So the smart contract is the basic technology of the blockchain, which is self-executing contracts with rules encoded directly on the blockchain, automatically enforcing the terms without intermediaries. And the benefit of the smart contract is the same as the RWA. It enhances the transparency and reduces the cost because they don't have the intermediaries, and eliminate the manual errors of the people or the person because it automates the agreements and securely recording the transactions. And we applied this technology into the platform to manage ownership transfer and trading rules ensuring secure, transparent, and automated transactions. And these are the architecture of our service. As you can see over here, basically all of the service in the platform is using the server, but also the smart contracts and the tokens are going up to the Polygon network, which is the blockchain-based EVM network, so that it can ensure the security and the transparency. And this service mesh also shows you the overall architecture and overall process of the of our platform. So we use the React framework for the client side. And the blockchain network, as I said, it was a Polygon, and CI/CD, and the integration was we used Kubernetes and Terraform. And also for the blockchain service, we use Node.js, and overall membership or project creation, we use the Spring Boot of Java. And for the data sync, it was Kafka was used, and the telemetry, Grafana and Prometheus was used. Alright, so let me show you the demonstration video of our platform. So let's start with the authentication and blockchain wallet creation. So let's start with the sign up. So you enter your name, and you enter your email and password and your address. And you start to log in after you sign up. And as you can see over here, basically when you create the wallet for getting the blockchain token, so you have to save your mnemonic phrases to recover, just in case you lose the wallet. And in the red box, there are like 12 words, and those are the mnemonic phrases. When you go home, there's a project. Yeah, so you can see the featured project and recommended for you. Alright, so let's open the project. The project metadata is signed on the smart contract. So basically, when you go to the My Project and click Create the Project button, and you fill all the necessary information for the new project. Like for example, as you can see, project name, price or target price, and the image for the thumbnail, and which describes your project. And your name and email and phone number. And when you submit it, as you can see over here, your ticket, which is the token, has been created, and it's on the blockchain. Cool. So the thing is the blockchain transfer, and we will focus on the occurrence of transactions on the actual blockchain network. So let's see what happens in here. You click the wallet. You can see your wallet address, and you can also copy your address, or you can also see the secret key. As you can see over here, basically this address has like 4 million PNP token, and we will show you how this amount can be changed. So please remember that the address was starting with 0xDD, and we will charge the token right now. Click yes. Right, as you can see, about 1 million was increased over here, and we will see in the Polygon network, and there's a transaction histories, and we will refresh it. As you can see over here, 10 seconds ago, from 0x41 to 0xDD, which was the wallet in our platform, it says there was a transfer. All right, and I'll show you how the projects can be bought. So please focus on the fact that the project's purchase is an actual transaction occurring in the blockchain network, not on a server. So we will buy the Bluetooth speaker, and you confirm it. There is a purchasing process, which is actually running in the blockchain network. Okay, so it's successfully completed. And we will go to the Polygon scan it as well. All right, so as you can see here, there is a history recorded here. So 17 seconds ago from 0xDD, which was the owner of the account in our platform, and the amount of PNP, certain amount of the PNP tokens was transferred to 0x6, which is the owner's address of the Bluetooth speaker. Yeah. Okay, and the last thing, we will confirm RWA wallet deposit. Let's see the wallet. And as you can see over here, there is a blockchain ticket which the user bought was recorded on the blockchain, and you can see the information that those recorded on the blockchain network. The real last thing is the P2P trading, which is auction. As you can see over here, those are the closed project, but we implemented this function to make sure there is a liquidity of the users, so that they can transfer those tokens even if the crowdfunding projects are closed. So you can buy it, and there's a lowest bid, and you click the buy button. So those transfer and transaction is successfully finished, as you can see over here. So there's a simple bookshelf which the user bought this time. So yeah, those are recorded on the blockchain as well. All right, thank you for the demonstration video. All right, so those were our presentation. So thank you for your attention, and if you have any question, please write the comment below. Thank you.